Hi, welcome back. I'm Naren, and today we will check some of the SFT codes so that we can give our feedback in AIS. And to access AIS, you can go to IT portal, log in with your PAN, and under services, you will see annual information statement, and can go to the AIS page and then select the financial year. So it will display the AIS page, and there if you click the AIS box, then it will allow you to check the details and also give the feedback. So under AIS, when you open the page, you can go to SFT Information tab to look at the corresponding information and also give the feedback. And the code SFT015 corresponds to dividend, where it will display one entry for each of the stock which has given you the dividend for that financial year. Whereas SFT016 SB will show the interest that you got from your savings bank, and there will be one record per bank. SFT016 PD will indicate the interest from your FDs, and again there will be one entry per bank. And under that, there can be multiple entries for different FDs that you had in that bank. SFT017 LES will indicate the sale of any stocks through your broker, and the value of consideration at the top will have the total sale value and with details in the individual records. SFT017 EMF will indicate the sale of equity oriented mutual fund, but note that SFT017 EMF will include the mutual fund sale information that you have done through your brokers, not through the mutual fund house. So this will be normally if you have any equity ETFs through your broker, those information will be shown under SFT017 EMF. And at the top, it will have the value of consideration, that is the total sale value, with the details in the sub-record. Sale of other unit will indicate as SFT017 O2U. This is similar to the above one, but it will include debt ETFs that you have sold through your broker. SFT018 EMF corresponds to the equity oriented mutual fund through a mutual fund house. So this will include the sales transactions, and the value of consideration at the top will be the total sale value of all the mutual funds, and it will also have details in the sub records under that top SFT018 record. SFT018 OTU will include the non-ETF, which is the debt MFs that you have sold through your mutual fund house. And at the top, it will have the value of consideration, that is the total sale value, with details in the sub-records. SFT Purchase. SFT005 will indicate the purchase of the FDs. So there will be one top entry per bank where you have purchased your FDs. So gross purchase amount will indicate total FDs amount that you have purchased from that bank in that financial year, irrespective of whether those FDs are currently open or closed as on 31st March of that financial year. So that actually indicates the gross amount that the bank has received from you as part of purchasing the time deposit. Gross amount paid to the person will indicate the total FD's principal amount that has been returned to the person because of the closure of the FDs. And note that not because of any auto renewal. Like if there is an auto renewal, then that amount is not considered here because that will auto renew to a new FD. And note that gross amount paid to the person doesn't include the interest payment made to the person. SFT 017 PUR. It will indicate the purchase of securities. So all the stocks that you have purchased through your broker. So total purchase amount will indicate the total buy value of all the shares for that financial year, irrespective of whether you have sold it later or still holding at the end of the financial year. And the market sales will indicate the sale value during the financial year, irrespective of whether it was a gain or a loss. And the amount shown in market sales will include the gain and loss. SFT 018 PUR will indicate the purchase of mutual funds through the mutual fund house. So total purchase amount will be the total buy value for the financial year, and irrespective of whether you have sold it later or still holding at the end of the financial year. Total sales value will be the sale value during that financial year. Again, irrespective of whether that was a capital gain or loss, and the total sales value will include that gain or the loss. So that's it about the SFT codes. If you find this useful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you.